Hey everyone, welcome back and welcome to Step Up Vinyl if this is your first time checking us out. In this video, we are going to be talking about the installation process of our vinyl stair nosings. In this case, we are looking at using a white risers. And yes, you see that right. We are starting at the bottom. Most people think that they should start at the top when installing stair nosing so they can work their way down, but you want to be starting at the bottom for coverage. So that riser, it had a perfectly straight edge, and that is what's being put down towards the floor. And the cut edge at the top is now being covered by the lip that was just put into place. The back of the stair is a cut edge and may not be 100% perfect, especially on a staircase like this one. That has been used and might be slightly warped. And so that back edge is then covered by the perfectly straight edge of the riser being put into place there. And you continue from there. These are our open stair treads made out of a loose lay vinyl, but we work with all types of vinyl, and the joy is that means that your stairs are made out of the exact same vinyl as your flooring above or below. Please check us out at stepupvinyl.ca and get in touch if you'd like us to make some nosings or do a full stair transformation for you. And please hit that subscribe button and check out our channel. We have lots of videos with tips and tricks and explanations that would help you on your next project.